Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Remitly to send money from Germany to India. First, you have to simply get to this website called Remitly, and after that, you have to select from Germany, and into you have to select the India. Once you have selected the country, then you have to click on login and log in with your account. Once you get login, it will take you to this page. Now, as you can see, there we have India. If you don't find India up here, you can just simply select India from this option. Then you have to click on this send money option. Once you click onto it, it will just take a while to load the next page and then you will get to this page. So here first it shows you the currency and the exchange rate. So if you're okay with that, you can just simply start the process. So first you have to add what amount you would like to send, and after that it will show you in the conversion rate. And then it has different options. You can choose the different bank, UPI and cash, so it's up to you. Whatever option you choose, you can choose, and you can also choose the bank. And once you have selected the bank, then you just have to simply add the detail, like if you would like to go with credit card, debit. And once you're done, you can just simply click on continue, and then you will be able to send money from Germany to India. So that's how you can use Remitly to send money from Germany to India. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.